Do you want to know how you can add languages on Duolingo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add languages to Duolingo. Go ahead and open Duolingo, which is on your phone. The next thing you want to do is log into your account and click on the language option on the top left hand corner. Then you can see courses. Go ahead and tap on courses and you can see some of the languages available on Duolingo. If you want to search for more, just go ahead and tap on more and you can see some of the other languages available over here. Let's suppose I want to learn French, so I'll go ahead and tap on French and click continue. So you can see that you must click you are new and you must follow this. So what you need to do is complete this, and there you go. Once you complete the language, just go ahead and click on Claim XP and click on Continue, and you can see that you have added languages to your Duolingo course. So guys, this is how you add language on Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.